The Internal Revenue Service has recently shared new information about a relief initiative that could bring significant financial support to millions of Americans. In August 2025, eligible taxpayers may see direct deposit payments of up to $3,000. This measure is designed to provide timely help at a moment when families continue to face rising living costs and unexpected financial challenges. The relief payments are structured as refunds and are connected to tax filings, income thresholds, and specific eligibility requirements. The announcement has quickly gained attention because many people are eager to know when they might receive the funds and who exactly qualifies. The IRS has confirmed that these direct deposits will be rolled out according to a set schedule, ensuring that payments reach bank accounts smoothly throughout the month of August. The payments are not random or discretionary, they are carefully tied to eligibility standards that have been laid out to prevent confusion and ensure fairness. Eligibility for the $3,000 direct deposit relief will depend on several factors. First, taxpayers must have filed their most recent tax returns. The IRS uses the information provided in tax filings to determine income, household size, and refund amounts. Those who have not filed their tax returns may risk delays or may not be included in the August distribution at all. Filing remains the most important step for anyone who hopes to receive the payment. Income is another major factor. While the IRS has not issued new permanent guidelines outside of existing tax law, the relief is expected to prioritize middle and lower income households. This is because such groups often bear the brunt of inflation, rising rents, and higher grocery costs. In past relief programs, income thresholds were used to set caps on eligibility, and a similar approach is expected for the August 2025 program. For example, individuals with very high adjusted gross incomes may not qualify for the full $3,000 payment, while those in lower brackets are more likely to receive the full amount. Direct deposit has been highlighted as the fastest and most efficient way to receive this relief. Taxpayers who have provided their banking details to the IRS through previous filings or refund claims will automatically be enrolled for electronic payment. Those who do not have direct deposit on file may receive paper checks, but this can take more time. The IRS has emphasized that people should double-check their banking details when filing returns or updating information to make sure that the money arrives without delays. The refund schedule for August 2025 will not release all payments on a single date. Instead, deposits will be issued in waves based on when returns were filed and processed. Early filers with complete information are likely to receive the relief sooner, while those with complicated returns or outstanding documentation may see later payment dates. The IRS expects most qualified taxpayers to receive the funds between the first and last weeks of August, but exact dates can vary. Patience will be important for those waiting on deposits, especially if additional verification is required. Many people have asked if this $3,000 direct deposit is taxable, or if it will affect next year's filings. The IRS has clarified that relief payments are considered refunds and are not treated as taxable income. This means recipients will not owe additional taxes just because they received this support. The goal is to reduce financial stress, not create new tax burdens. However, individuals who have outstanding debts, such as overdue federal taxes or child support, could see part of their payment withheld to cover those obligations, as is standard practice with refunds. The relief has been welcomed by households facing a wide range of expenses, especially at a time when many Americans are struggling to balance their monthly budgets. Rising utility costs, including electricity, heating, and water, have made it harder for families to keep up with basic living standards. In addition, the resumption of student loan payments has added another layer of financial stress for younger professionals and graduates who were already juggling rent, food, and transportation costs. Combined with the broader rise in everyday prices, from groceries to childcare, these pressures have created a situation where even small amounts of extra support can make a meaningful difference. For some families, a $3,000 direct deposit can provide enough relief to cover several months of rent, mortgage installments, or essential grocery bills. For others, the funds may go toward medical expenses, home repairs, or car payments, costs that are often unavoidable but difficult to manage without additional income. Households living paycheck to paycheck see this payment as more than just extra money. It represents security and stability at a time when uncertainty has become common. For individuals with lower incomes, it can also serve as a financial cushion, helping them build a small emergency fund that protects them from sudden expenses, such as unexpected health issues or urgent home repairs. By giving people breathing room, the relief payment can help prevent them from falling into debt or relying heavily on credit cards. Policymakers and economists have pointed out that this type of financial relief has a double benefit. Not only does it support individual families, but it also helps stimulate the broader economy. When people have money to spend, they are more likely to purchase goods and services, which in turn supports local businesses and keeps economic activity move. Income. During periods of slow growth, this type of consumer spending can play a crucial role in keeping the economy stable. In this way, the $3,000 direct deposit is more than just a refund. It is also part of a wider economic strategy designed to maintain confidence and prevent further financial strain across the nation. To make the most of this opportunity, people are encouraged to prepare ahead of August. That preparation involves more than just waiting for the funds to arrive. Taxpayers should check the status of their tax return, update personal and banking information with the IRS, and confirm that their direct deposit details are correct. This step is critical because incorrect banking details can cause long delays or result in payments being mailed by paper check instead. The IRS also offers online tools that allow taxpayers to track the status of refunds and payments. By taking advantage of these resources, individuals can reduce uncertainty and have a clearer idea of when to expect their deposit. Disclaimer. This content is provided for general informational purposes only and should not be considered as official tax, financial, or legal advice. While efforts have been made to ensure accuracy, details regarding IRS programs, refund schedules, and eligibility requirements may change over time based on official government updates. Readers are encouraged to verify all information directly with the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, through its official website or authorized communication channels. The creators of this content are not affiliated with the IRS and are not responsible for any financial decisions made based on this information. For guidance tailored to your personal situation, please consult a licensed tax professional or financial advisor.